back. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now, and let's talk about some more earnings and some more management on ET Now. Right now, we have Swaroop P, who's the MD of Gujarat Alkalies and Chemicals, joining us on the show. Very good afternoon, sir. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. And let's talk about your earnings of the quarter gone by. Although on a year-on-year basis, your numbers are strong, but sequentially, we have actually seen a slight decline both on the top line as well as bottom line. So could you tell us what exactly led to this dip on a quarter-on-quarter basis? And also, if you could talk about volume growth, how has your volume growth been and what's the outlook on that particular front?
Actually, the quarter one numbers are now in the public domain. So we are actually doing very well thanks to the market dynamics ably supported by our team. In fact, the quarter one profit is 336.26 crores, which is the highest since inception of this company, GACL. So that's one of the best achievements that we could ever achieve in this quarter. So that's because of main reason is we had a good price for the caustic soda, which increased from say around 27,000 per ton to around more than 50,000. So that's the reason why we could achieve good results in quarter one.
How have the RM pricing trends been? What is the outlook and how will you see a rise as far as energy cost impact is concerned?
Yes, as far as the caustic soda price is concerned, both international as well as in the domestic markets, we feel that the price is going to remain stable or it may increase, especially because of the demand in the alumina sector, both in the national market and also in the international market. And we expect that it is going to remain above 50,000 per ton. Yes, you are right. The energy cost, which is our major concern, we are trying to reduce it through our solar and wind power plants, wind power. So this, I think we could achieve. We are going to have an MOU with NTPC for a power plant, solar power plant, 100 megawatt solar power plant in Kutch region. So, and we are also trying to have a bioethanol plant somewhere in Dahod. So these two would have an impact on our energy cost. We hope that energy cost will come down in the future.
Right. Let's talk about your margins. They've come in at around 34% versus 30% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Is there any scope for further expansion in the margin? No doubt, sequentially, we've seen an expansion in that.
Yeah, this is going to remain at least steady for the next quarter. That's what we feel. And with our expansion, we are going to expand the capacity in a big way. In three aspects, we are going to expand. One is the caustic soda plant at the Dahej, and another is an hydrogen hydrate project under chloromethane. These three we are going to expand in a big way. That's almost in the process of commissioning. This will definitely take the company to a different level. That's what we feel so.
Right. My next question was in capex, capex and capacity expansion plan and progress on that front. If you could share some figure on capex, where do you see total capacity, say by the end of 24-23?
Caustic soda plant, in fact, at Dahej, we right now have a capacity of 785 metric tons per day. This is going to increase by it will go up to 1,310 metric ton per day. So we are also coming up with a chloromethane plant at Dahej with a capacity of 325 metric ton per day. So this will also increase our capacity from 170 metric ton right now to 495 metric ton per day. And most importantly, we are coming up with an hydrogen hydrate project that's in very advanced stage of implementation with a capacity of 10,000 metric ton per annum. This is we are the first company to going to produce hydrogen hydrate in India. So we have developed this process in collaboration with the IICT Hyderabad, and we got patents in India and US as well. This will be a good step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat in substituting our own technology with the dependence on import. So this hydrogen hydrate will be a game changer in the near future.
All right. Thank you so much, Swaroop. We leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us on the show and giving us a kind of glimpse of the quarter gone by for Gujarat Alkalies and the way ahead. That was Swaroop P, who's the MD of Gujarat Alkalies and Chemicals.